If you're trying to remove a metal drain from a sink and the flange is spinning, here's 3 ways on how to get that flange freed up. Tighten the nut on the drain so that it is tight as when it was first installed. Make a pencil mark so you can tell if it's spinning. Then hold this nut with a wrench and take a second wrench and spin the drain in that direction. So if you're lucky, the flange will catch as you turn the body of the drain. If the flange doesn't come loose that way, loosen the nut to the bottom of the threads and then push the drain body up. Clamp some vice grips onto the flange. Some flanges are deep and have holes that a screwdriver can be wedged into to stop it from spinning. While you're holding the flange with screwdriver, pliers, or vice grips, spin the body of the drain in this direction. If that fails, tighten up the nut so the drain body doesn't wiggle. You can use a hacksaw or some sort of tool with a cutting wheel. Then cut the drain off here. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, know how now to find other videos, and thanks for watching.